guys, this is Rashad David, Junk Car Buyer, Auto Solutions. Today I'm in office, man. I try to do videos as much as I can, but today was an important matter. Just wanted to talk to you guys about, how the market is doing, how you guys getting your calls for your cars, talk about Google Ads and, how much you guys are actually spending on Google Ads and, talk about false clicks and things like that to kind of educate you guys on getting you guys more calls, being more productive out there buying cars and how to be seen out in the marketplace when buying junk cars. So, right now, today's market is currently where it's, about a pound or per ton. Over here in the state of Georgia, I know they're paying about $9 to maybe $12 per 100 pounds. But a lot of guys are not buying vehicles right now because the market is kind of down. When tax season is around, customers primarily don't like selling their vehicles. They like fixing them more so than selling them. So you have to be more aggressive on marketing your business with, Google ads such as Facebook, YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel that actually works as well, and TikTok. But today I just wanted to talk to you guys about how to make more money breaking down your guys' vehicles when you're taking them to the local junkyards. And this goes for not just Georgia, that goes for any state that you may be in, and how you market your business, because it's all about the numbers when you're buying.